Good morning from not so sunny Norfolk. I think it's going to be a cold ride today. Heading over to Watton to Rangham Road to go on a little ride out with them. Not sure of the route yet. But first, I'm off to Halesworth to go and collect Riley, who some of you may remember I took to prom a few months ago, and I've been promising him a ride out ever since. So today is the day. Let's go get him. Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Have fun, folks. Have fun.
See ya.
See you later. Have a good day.
Today's route is going to take us up to Watton, down through the Sandringham estate, to Downham Market, and then to Linford, to Shepherd's Bar for coffee and cake, and then home through Thetford Forest. Whilst this is playing, please remember to hit that subscribe button, and if you're enjoying this vlog, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your mates. And if you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee, then you can do so by clicking on the link in my bio. It's very much appreciated. Thank you. Here we are in the beautiful market but witchy town of Bungay, and just coming up on our right you will see the church where apparently in 1557 Black Shuck, a huge black dog, was meant to be the devil in canine form, burst into the church during a thunderstorm, and then after the storm he killed a man and a boy, causing the church steeple to collapse. Apparently there are scorch marks evident on the north door that are said to be from the dog's claws. Now, coming back to the witchy theme, in the most recent census, apparently 120 of the 85,000 people here said that they were Satanists. But did they really? Are they pagans? And they've just been made out to be devil worshippers? I don't think we've moved on very far, have we, since 1662, when Amy Denny and Rose Cullender were hung after their witch trials by the Witchfinder General, Matthew Hopkins. And there are two witches' stones here that are said to mark the place of their demise. We've suddenly hit fog and it's very cold. Well, I can't believe we're late. Ha 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 ha. We're just getting here. Just as they're leaving. I'm wondering if it's even going to be on. That's Tracy and Jeff, being the weather and the freezing fog we just encountered. It's okay, they were just going to go and get fuel. And nobody was surprised apparently that I was late. How rude. It's not like me. That does not go before me. Or getting lost. If you didn't get stuck behind a tractor. How nice, you don't get that very often. We've picked up a two-wheeler. Hello, whoever you may be. problem with a wobbly screen guard. These guys have all stopped to try and help out. I'm going to carry on to catch up with the guy in front of me. He was steering as a back marker to let him know what's happened. And hopefully we can all regroup again.
From left back there, but they're just helping each other out with the wobbly screen. So
Funniest question ever. Matt said to me, whereabouts did they break down? I mean, I don't know, it was just back there somewhere. If you're new to my channel, then it's a bit of a running joke that I'm always running late, I never know where I am, and I'm always lost. But Ed's theory is that if you don't know where you are, you can't be lost. I like that. Matt has contact numbers. We're going to pull up here, let them know where we are and regroup. Plans to have coffee in the pub is blown out by all the lovely Sunday diners that have booked their table. So we're going to head off down the road for some coffee, but it doesn't quite look like Marion's ready yet, so I'm going to loop back round.
To see your wonky thingy. You got a wonky thingy?
Yeah.
Wonky thingy.
That's
Oh, it's alright at the minute.
Moment, but go 5 minutes down the road and that'll be loose.
Loose again. Okay. Right, so you and Matt are going back, yeah? I'll see you soon then.
Yeah.
Take care, bye.
Take care.
So they're going back to get that stuck down. We are going to Shepherd's Bar.
Are you so excited?
I'm very excited. We're going on the A134 to Thetford Forest. And then the 1066 home. I was so excited, I nearly spilled my coffee everywhere, wasn't I? Does it take much to please me? Huh?
Don't lose on this time.
I won't. Hiya. I've got my sat nav on anyway. Not that that means anything. I'll still get lost and drive around in circles. They've all been very rude about me today.
Unfortunately, there was a biker down just off of that roundabout. All the emergency crew were there when we came up to Costa. I hope you make a speedy recovery. You do have to now pay for parking here with one of those horrible parking apps that I just cannot get my head around. Are you feeling tired?
Yes.
Right, this is Vigo's dance that he taught me, right? When you're feeling tired, come on Jeff, join in. This is what you have to do to get yourself all motivated to go and drink coffee and eat cake.
Oh, really?
Right. You on?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, ready, bye.
In case you hadn't already gathered, I love riding through Thetford Forest, especially at this time of year. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, then come and do so, because very soon I will be going off-road through this forest in a Land Rover, and I'm just a little bit excited about that. Now this road is my most favourite around these paths. You get lovely trees and villages and fields and scenery, but also it's an amazing riding road surface with some nice long straights and some amazing bends too. So the best of everything. Just riding into Diss, and Riley said, "I've never been to Diss." So what better opportunity to go and show him and you another beautiful little market town on the Norfolk-Suffolk border. And I say that because I don't know which side of the Waveney it is. I think it's north, so I'm going to plump for Norfolk. The old high street down there, but
Yeah.
ah. Just dropped Riley back home. We are both absolutely shattered. It's a longer day than we anticipated. By the time I get back home, it'll be 200 miles, many hours on the road, but great fun. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as we did. All that's left for me to say is ta-ta for now.